Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy Learning German with Ritu. And today in German A1 series, we are starting with a very important topic which is verb conjugation. Okay, in this we are going to understand how to conjugate regular verbs and what are verbs, what is verb conjugation as a topic. So do stay with me and keep watching. And before we move ahead, do subscribe to my channel and watch the complete video as it is going to be very informative and useful to you. So here, the first slide is verb. What is a verb? Verb क्या होता है? A verb is to eat, to sleep, to walk, to talk, to write, to swim, to knead, to drink, to listen. All these are verbs when we do any action. सो वर्ब क्या होता है? सोना, जगना, उठना, खाना, पीना, स्विमिंग करना, कुछ लेना, कुछ देना, एवरीथिंग। ये सब कोई भी हम जब एक्शन करते हैं वो क्या कहलाता है? वर्ब। So, verb conjugation. What is verb conjugation? Change in the form of verb due to the change in personal pronoun. What are personal pronouns that we have learned? Ish, do, es, wir, ihr and sie or the tense. यानी कि जो ये verbs है, खाना पीना उठना सोना, to drink, to eat, to sleep, to walk, to talk, सो ये क्या है? जब इनमें थोड़ा सा हम चेंज करते हैं एज पर द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन। पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या होता है? आई, यू, ही, शी, इट। या फिर हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में बात करते हैं या पास्ट टेंस में बात करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा चेंज आता है। नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस चेंज। व्हाट ये कौन सा चेंज है? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड। So the first verb that I have picked up is makhan. Makhan means to do. Okay. So to do क्या है? माखन verb. कुछ करना. So on the right hand side, what I have done, I have written ishtu, rzs, wir, year, z, right? अब कॉन्जुगेट कैसे करते हैं हम? ये en जो है इसको हम क्या कर देंगे? कट। हर एक वर्ब में से लास्ट में en क्या करेंगे हम? कट। एंड नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू? We will write this MACH everywhere. Like I have written ish के साथ में, do के साथ में, everywhere you will write MACH. We will cut in and write MACH in front of ish, do, RCS, wear, year and Z. First do this thing everyone in your notebook. Once you are done, now I'm telling you the endings. सो इश के साथ में हमेशा क्या लगेगा? ई एन एंडिंग. विद इश वी ऑलवेज राइट ई एंडिंग. With do it will be st, so it will become ishmache. E ending plus e, mache is the final answer, so it will be ishmache. Do the ending we always add is st, so it will be marks. Marks. With capital Z, you formal singular, we add en. So makhan. Makhan. Ich mache, du magst, sie machen. With RCS, we have an ending of T. So er marked, sie marked, S marked. What does it mean? He does, she does, it does. Wir machen, en ending. Wir machen with ear T ending, marked. Ear marked. Und sie machen. Machen. So I repeat it again. So with ish it will be mache, E ending. With do, st ending. Do marks. कैपिटल सी, what do we add? हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? en. SES, he शीट के साथ T ending. Marked. Khurter. Marked. Wir machen. Earmarked. Sie machen. So learning these endings is very important. You have to learn these endings. ये endings सबको याद करनी पड़ेंगी. Please note it down. You have to add them at the end of every verb. Subverb conjugation formula is this. Step number 1. What is the step number 1, guys? Step 1, we cut this en. Step number 2. What is step number 2? We add the endings. Only 2 steps. Very easy. Very, very, very easy. Only 2 steps you need to do. Okay, let's understand another example. So, Makhan, to do, kuch karna. Zagan. It is not sagan or segan. Zagan. Asam. Zagan. What is zagan? To speak. To say something. कुछ बोलना. So, इसके साथ में ई एंडिंग जाग. Ich sage, du sagst, du sagst, sie sagen, sagen, er sagt, sie sagt, es sagt. T ending. He, she, it, T ending. Wir sagen, ihr sagt, sie sagen. So I repeat, ich mache, ich sage. Du machst, du sagst. Sie machen, sie sagen. Er macht, er sagt. Sie macht, sie sagt. Es macht, es sagt. Wir machen, wir sagen. Ihr macht, ihr sagt. Sie machen, sie sagen. And lastly again, they all. Sie machen and sie sagen. This is you all plural. This is they all plural. वो सब ये और आप सब. So formula at the end endings would remain same. Step 1 and 2 is the rule for regular verbs conjugation. Step 1 and 2 we have to follow. Note it down. Pause the video and note it down, please. Now I am moving ahead. You can pause. Once done, you can continue. These are the endings. So let me quickly erase it. It is so messy. Yeah. So let's move forward. So now this is the verb conjugation. So it will be with ish. What comes? E ending. I have written the endings. मैंने endings लिखी हैं. ये याद करनी है endings. You need to learn. This is mandatory. Please learn. Ish is equal to I. E ending. Do you formal, you informal meaning tum. St ending. Z you formal meaning आप. What is E formal? आप. and it means en ending. You have to use en ending. He. So he is T ending. What do we use for he? It is the T ending. She. What do we use for she? Z and T ending. Again, same. T ending. And S, we use again T ending. So as yes, he, she, it, we will use the T ending. With wear ka meaning we, hum sab. Ending en. What is the meaning of year? Year is tum sab. Tum sab. You all. Plural. Bahuvachan. Ending T ending. And ZZ, they all, you all. वो सब, आप सब. Plural में. This is the section for plural. So, en ending. Write these endings, learn this ending. Step number 1, cut en. Step number 2, add these endings and you are done. Very easy. Pause the video and note it down, please. Okay, I'm moving ahead. Here you go, another set of verbs that you can see. Okay. So I'm just making the video more clear, removing my face. I think now it is clear to everyone. Okay. So please note it down first of all. Pause the video, note it down. I will start explaining it. Everybody to start writing. Those who are done writing, they need to highlight. You need to have markers in my class. Everybody should get good markers with you in my class. I hope it is visible now to everybody. I am starting to explain it now. Ish is I. We add ending E. So, comma, we will cut this En. So, KOMM as a step, we will write everywhere. KOMM. And then ish plus E ending, so it will become comma. Ish, comma. Do ST ending. It is not E ending, guys. Please correct it. It is in do we write ST ending. S also will come. ST ending in do. What is the ending? ST. So, do const plus KOMM you have written as a step 1 and step 2 we add the ending. So, what it will become? KOMMST. Do const. Formal C. What is formal C? Aap. When you give respect but talking to one person. So en ending. So step 1 KOMM. Step 2 plus en. So what it will become? Common. Common. He, she, it. As, the, s. What is the ending we add? T ending, right? We add the ending T. So, KOMM step 1 you have written, right? Cut EN, you have to cut this EN. So what is left? KOMM. So KOM को हम नीचे लिखेंगे and T ending. And T is the ending. So it will become combed. Wear, common. En ending. Step number 1, KOMM ending is En. Year, तुम सब. You all informal. T ending. So year comes. You all, the all, common. En ending again. Common. Say 5 times with me. Common. To come. 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 Very nice. Now the fourth verb is trinken. What is it? Trinken. 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 Very nice. Trinken. Trinken. Trinken means to drink. To drink something, huh? Kuch pina. So with ish, e ending, so we will say ish trinker. With do, st ending, du trinkst. Z, कैपिटल Z, आप. जब हम किसी को कहते हैं आप, सिंगुलर, एक बंदे को, त्रिंकन, en एंडिंग, त्रिंकन. He, she, it, trinked. Trinked. Wir trinken. Trinken. ईयर में क्या लगेगा एंडिंग? टी एंडिंग. सी, इन ईयर वी हैव टी एंडिंग. सो त्रिंक्ड. And last में you all, they all, like earlier, en ending. Okay? Again, lernen. Lernen is the verb. I'm using a pink marker right now. Please watch it. Fifth point. Lernen. Lernen, to learn. Lernen, to learn. Lernen, to learn. Lernen, lernen. So with ish, e ending, ish lerner. Du, st ending, du lernst. Capital C, en ending, so lernen. Ear, he, she, it, RZS, T ending. So erlernt, RZS lernt. Sie lernen. Wir lernen. Sorry, it is wir lernen. We all learn. Ihr lernt, you all learn. तुम सब. And they all, you all. Again, en ending. Lernen. For the last one, I'm using again red color. Sixth one, spielen. Spielen, to play. Spielen. Energy. With energy, you need to speak. Spielen. 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 After me. Spielen. To play. So, ich spiele, I play. Du spielst, you play. Capital Z, spielen, en ending. So it will become spielen. Er spielt, he, she, it plays, T ending. Wir spielen, en ending. With wir, we write en. Wir के साथ क्या आएगी? En ending. With ear, it will be T ending, spielt. And small z or capital Z, it will be en ending. Note it down. You can pause the video, note it down. I'm making it clear also. I'm erasing everything so that it is visible to everyone and easy to note down also. So step number one, we will cut en. That is step one, guys. And what is step number two? We add the endings. That's why endings learning is very important. Before this, I have written endings separately. Please learn. इससे पहली वाली स्लाइड में मैंने एंडिंग्स को अलग से लिखा है, सबके सब याद करेंगे उसको अच्छे से. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, ये बहुत 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 जरूरी है. ओके, डन. So I'm moving to the next slide. Another slot. Here you go. But not to worry, same formula we have to use. Very easy. Now you know the formula, right? So schreiben. Schreiben means to write. Seventh verb we are doing, guys. Schreiben. 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 It is not schreiben. Schreiben. Wrong, wrong, wrong. It is schreiben. So ich schreibe, du schreibst, sie schreiben, sie schreibt, wir schreiben, ihr schreibt, and sie schreiben. Note it down with ending. सबको ऐसे लिखना है. Plus E is equal to your final answer. Eighth verb is kaufen. Kaufen means to buy. Again, step number one, cut E and write KUF everywhere. KUF हर जगह पे लिखेंगे हम, EN को कट करेंगे. Then ich kaufe, du kaufst, sie kaufen, sie es kauft, wir kaufen, ihr kauft, and sie kaufen. Same formula आपको लगाना है. Another verb is gehen. Gehen means to go. Say loudly. Gehen, 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 gehen. Ich gehe, du gehst, sie gehen, formal sie. He, she, it, as yes, gate. Wir gehen, we all go. Ihr geht, you all go. Informal, तुम सब. And ZZ, they all, you all, वो सब, आप सब, गेहन, en ending. You need to pause the video and note it down. First understand, then pause my video, understand and write. अभी कोई नहीं लिखेगा. Nobody will write right now. Now last is hören, the 10th verb for today. Hooray! After that, class gets over. No, there is a quiz after this, so stay here. So hören means to play. Hören, say loudly. Hören, 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 hören. Ich höre, du hörst, sie hören, sie, es, he, she, it, hört. Wir hören, ihr hört, and sie hören. Please note it down, guys. Pause the video, write everything, learn as homework. I'm moving further with the next slide now. So here we go. I have a small quiz for you guys. Okay. Here it is. So attempt it. Very easy. You need to write in front of them small answers. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Go through it, pause the video, write it in your notebook. See, quiz is very important. It will make sure that you know the things. After writing only, you will forward my video. So now these are your answers. So while checking your answers, I want to inform you that A2 series and further level B1, B2 series will be also starting soon with grammar, model test papers, potential question that comes in exam, speaking practice, important reading materials. So please do subscribe to my channel and keep watching each and every video if you want to clear your A1, A2, B1, B2s. Okay, because that is the minimum thing that you require to clear the level. That is what I am covering in these videos. To take personal classes from me, you can join on the number given below on my screen, and you can contact me for personal classes from my academy, Anjanaya Academy. Okay, my name is Ritu. And now I would like to thank you for watching my video and giving all your support. And you are watching my videos with full interest. I know you need to clear. So all the best. I hope you are able to learn from my videos. Keep watching. The next video is about to come, which will cover the another set of 10 regular verbs. Okay. So please watch it. These 30 regular verbs you need in A1. Okay. Take care till then. Bye bye.